Wait though. It's finna get good. My Snoop. Twisted Soul. Cosmic. Ain't there y'all seen who these followers want to, oh shit. Oh, he one of them aggressive cranking. You know, it don't just start with the key. You gotta pump. Damn. Why that thing ain't starting? Fried balloon cup. Yeah, he ready, y'all. Let's see what else we about to do, man. Who was that? Want to see racing 07. Already, I got some of that. Appreciate the follow, man. Who can't see what he just sent, but he just sent something, man. Whatever it is, I sure appreciate it. I appreciate anything. Function, they hype train emotes. You gotta unlock them through bits and shit. What? Ah, refresh. Okay, bam. Now today I'm on. Cheers. Who was that? Thundercut Kurt. Appreciate the follow, man. Come at me, bro. Is everything back on? Can you see? You know it mess up every hour or so.
Ordered. I don't know if they have them in stock yet. If you want to get one of these hoodies, they are sharp.
Okay, bet. I don't know how long would it be. How long it buff? About 5 seconds. I know everybody patience low. Oh man, that might be a good jump. Golly, hey y'all.
Hey, how much horsepower do you think the Underglow had?
He got about 5 more horsepower with the Underglow for sure. Oh yeah, man, he got 5 more horses. Let me see. Hey, look out, man. You got that intake?
Nah, man.
Oh,
original. Everything's original.
oh, okay, that's original, y'all. Oh, they said do a burnout. You ready? Who you racing? Oh, I think they waiting. Oh, okay. Oh, I think they finna clean up something real quick. They finna clean up something. Ronnie don't look like he really want to clean up. Oh, he don't. He wanted him to do it. Link, oh yeah, dude look like he wearing. Oh, okay. Man, I had brought, man, I'm gonna bring the whole box. I'm finna start back riding with the box, man.
Oh yeah, how many?
Yeah, I still got. I had ordered, man, a lot of shirts, man. I ain't even been selling. I had put my car on my shirt. Then the car broke down. I ain't feel good, and for selling the shirt, man, I started feeling not good. It's like I can't have you representing my car broke down, but I'm finna try to get it fixed ASAP. ASAP. I'm on it, y'all. I'm on it. Let me see what he got, man. Tell me he got a stock intake. I can't believe, boy, that's what I'm talking about right here. Hold on, let me see who this is over here. Hey, look out, man. You got that intake?
Hell yeah.
I bet he got that intake, y'all. Oh, there it go. Look. Ooh, he got that big. He got that big.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, you see it? You got that little intake on there, man. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, we got them headers on there, new gaskets and shit. I hear you. There's a turbo on there. Ain't no turbo on there. Funky Town out here. He probably at the bingo hall today, y'all. They say, who is Kevin, y'all? Anybody in here know Kevin? The stream boss? I'm still trying to figure out what's that. Is that one of my subscribers? Mahudo, M Hudo, appreciate the follow. Huh? Yeah, I seen that. The dude with the intake wins, y'all. And he got the VTEC. Let's see. Okay, little GTO. Got a cam in it. Oh, want to go see racing? His name Kevin. Man, on my top right screen it say Kevin HP 3600. How you, what you gotta do? What, we trying to hurt you? As people give and sub, they take away. Oh. Oh, okay. I think Kevin is just a default first name. Oh, okay. One who kills him becomes the next boss. Oh, okay. So like Soup Mike Hawk name will be up there. Or Team Thundercock. And everybody will be trying to kill Team Thundercock. Oh, they finna glue it down, y'all. He got that intake. Man, appreciate it, man. Almost at 500 viewers down. For real? Mine saying 300. I'm shocked with that. They can try. We got Team Thundercock in here, y'all. Keep it 420, man. What you be smoking? Talk to me. Tell me that, man. Oh, snap, it just changed up. Ooh. Oh, man. Yeah. Okay. Monaro. Oh yeah, see that's the Monaro. Y'all call them cars Monaros. Don't nobody say that over here. A Monaro.